friends, I'm BM. In this video, I will show you how to boost system speed. Okay, right click on taskbar, open task manager. Now check here our cache memory is 1.6 GB. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to reduce this cache. Okay, now open Chrome browser and then type here RAM map. Okay, for clear cache. Okay, now click on first link. Now click on download RAM map. After download, click on the folder icon. Now right click on the setup file. Now click on extract all for extract this file. Okay, now click on extract. Now you see on screen file is extracted. My operating system is 64-bit. Now click on RAM map 64-bit.exe. Okay. Now click on agree. I see here our cache memory is 1.1. Now click on empty. Click on empty standby list. Now you see, boom, our cache memory is reduced. Okay. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.